Hello! Oh, wait a minute. Perfect. There we go. That's better. There are so many myths, stories and opinions on the internet about running your SR20 DET without a recirc valve or a blow-off valve. I'm pretty much a skeptic about everything that I read on the internet. But it happens we've got ourselves a little S15 here that we can try this out for ourselves and see what it's all about. And see how it goes. Okay, before we get started, I forgot to say, these are the blocks that I've got. From memory, I think it was 30mm and 27mm, these two little things. And also, I've got a 10mm bolt to block the actuating pipe. So, yeah, let's see how we get on.
I'll put a link in the description of where the full list of my spec is, but the SR20 has been rebuilt with Force Wiseco pistons, Tommy cams, GT28 7.1 turbo, the list goes on.
So, we need to take out the battery to allow us access to the recirc valve down there. We need to take these off, and then, from memory, 30mm block for that pipe, and then a 27mm block to block the pipe down there. And also I've got a small 10mm bolt which will block the actuating pipe down there. So let's see how we get on. So we've moved this, we've removed that, okay. Now the pipe goes down there into the recirc valve, which is somewhere there, yep. So we just need to undo that Jubilee clip now.
Quick note here, because the original pipe you can see there is hard plastic, I got a short silicone pipe that you see connected there, which at 30mm, to allow me to properly fit the block in. Okay, everything's been put back together, but let's have a reminder of what she used to sound like.
Success. We've got it all done, so now it's time to go for a quick spin. I got a bit caught up because I had to go away to get a ratchet set and an extender. It was a little bit more tricky to get to than I thought it was going to be, but we've got it all done, so it's time to go for a little spin and let's hear for ourselves first hand what is this going to sound like. I've already had a bit of a rev and it does sound pretty good. It used to chatter anyway, because I've got the bigger GT28 71R turbo. It chattered anyway, like a doodle-doodle, but now we're getting a much bigger chatter, so compressor surge. Well, let's try it. I wanted to try it for myself, so here we go. Let's go for a spin. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? I don't mean to swear, oh my goodness, I really don't mean to swear. Okay, we've got some good sounds. Oh my goodness, it is dark now, by the way. There you go, got it done in the end. I need to go and get a ratchet with an extender because it's a bit more fiddly than I thought it was going to be. But there you go. I wanted to go into Spain to drive a bit faster, but it's a bit late now, so had a little spin around here. And yeah, I don't know how long I'll keep it till it starts annoying me maybe, but there you go. That's how you do it. That dodgy little thing's done.